Hello there, fellow learners and aspiring prompt engineers. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing and completely free resources that will transform you into a prompt engineering expert. Yes, you are right, completely free. So let's dive in. Resource number 1, Learn Prompting. This is an incredible open source course that focuses on teaching you how to effectively communicate with AI. And the best part, they have a vibrant and supportive Discord community with over 40,000 members. You will have plenty of opportunities to learn, share ideas, and grow together. The link to these resources will be provided in the video, so make sure to check out. Next up, we have Snack Prompt. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of best prompts, all handpicked based on user votes. Snack Prompt is the ultimate platform to discover new prompt gems across various topics. Whether you are into creative writing or need assistance with a specific project, this resource will help you find the perfect prompt to unleash your creativity. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Resource number 3 is an absolute must if you are serious about prompt engineering. Introducing Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT. This comprehensive course is designed to take you from a beginner to an expert in prompt engineering. You will learn various techniques, strategies, and best practices to maximize the potential of AI models like ChatGPT. So don't wait any longer. Enroll in this course and supercharge your prompt engineering skills. Now let's talk about the OpenAI API. As a prompt engineer, you need to know how to give clear and effective instructions to AI models like GPT and Codex. The OpenAI API provides you with the best practices for prompt engineering. You will learn how to harness the power of AI and get the most accurate and relevant results. This resource is game changer, my friends. Last but not least, we have a resource specifically tailored for developers. If you are a developer who wants to dive deep into prompt engineering with ChatGPT, then this one is for you. Deep Learning. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers is an invaluable course that will equip you with the knowledge and skills to excel in your coding journey. Get ready to level up your prompt engineering game. And that's a wrap, my fellow learners. We have explored 5 fantastic resources that will help you become a prompt engineering expert. Remember, these resources are completely free and packed with valuable insights, tutorials, and communities. So don't hesitate to seize this opportunity and take your skills to new heights. Links to all the resources mentioned in the video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep engineering those powerful prompts. Until next time.